So today we are going to see code forces around 510 due to 8 benches. So let me explain you, like there are the n benches in the park, and we have given an array called the A, where AI is represent the ith, the person, how many people are sitting in the ith bench. There are another m people are coming to the park, so we have to tell like what is the minimum and the maximum possible k, like k be the maximum number of the people sitting on one bench after additional of the m people came to the park. So the input is given like n, m and ai. So this is n, m, and there are number of people sitting in ai bench. So let's see like what the question is telling. Like we have given one array, so ith bench represents the how many people are like sitting on the ith bench. So like in first example there is one, sorry, there is one, there are the four bench and one people are sitting on the, like what is the maximum value of k. Like we have to tell to minimum and max. So these are values we have to like answer them. So what is the maximum value of the people we can uh, sit on the one bench. So like initially the maximum among the whole array plus the m people, there are the m peoples are coming to this park, right? So suppose this value will be the 3, so we will take the 3 plus m. So this is the maximum value of the people sitting will be the on one branch. And what will be the minimum value? So like for the minimum value, suppose there are the 4 peoples coming to this, m is equals to 4, m is equals to 4 people are coming to this park. So we have to tell like so we have to take the minimum among all these things. Like what is the minimum? 1 is the minimum, so we will take 1 plus we will going to add 1. Hereafter we will going to add 1. So like this, after this the value will become 2, 1, 1 and 3, and my m is equals to 3. So after this I will again take 1% and add to this value. So my m is equals to 2, again 2, 2, 2, 3. So my m is equals to 1, and last person for like choose any one index. So my index will be like 1, 2, 2, 3. M is equals to 0, we will coming out. So you can solve using the priority queue. I have solved using the like multiset actually. So multiset and priority queue works similarly actually. So you can use any of them. But for the multiset, taking up the value is much more complicated. Like we have, suppose my value is going to live, so we have to remove all these things and again I need to add. Multiset works on a pointer approach actually. So you can see that here. uh, let's go to the code. So first for we have to import the test cases like n and m value. So I have created the multiset of integer comma comparator. Actually I have to create one container such that, like let me show you. I have to create one container such that a1, a2, a2, a3, a4, like this one. So I have to do comparison between this. Like you can, this is the option, you can write it, or multiset. Basically multiset is comes with decrementing only. So I have write my own comparator class. So here I have taken two parameter, a is less than b. So you can see that I have created a multiset. take the array and put it on the multiset itself. And for the answer 2, that is the k value, I will it remove the last element. So after that my multiset will be in the sorted order. So I will take the last element and I will add the m peoples actually. So this is will be my answer 2. As you can see, where is the page actually. You can go back to the video and see that for the answer 2. And for the answer 1, find the minimum in the array and add 1. Like there are m people, so I have to go from 0 to m. So there are m peoples coming under taking the beginning element. So the first element will be the smallest one. I will pop this element. So this is the popping of this element, and add this. Like after popping the element, I have to add one and again then insert. So this works like similarly like the priority queue. And after the process, like after the m people will comes to the park. So what is my answer? So my answer will be the maximum amount. Like what is the minimum, and if we have calculate the, so what last I have got the answer after getting the minimum. So the minimum value will be the 3 itself. So like let me show you 1. So this is the one test case actually, and my m is equals to my m is equals to 4. So I will first take the largest element and then add to this itself. So my answer 2 will be 1 itself, right? So my answer will be the 5 itself. No, my m is equals to 6, sorry, my m is equals to 6. So my answer will be the 7. And after like 6 people came, like let me show you 1, my m is equals to 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let me show you 3, 2, 3, 2, 2, 2, and after that 3, 2, 2. So this is the value we have got, and we have to tell the minimum amount of like people sit on the one branch. So the answer will be the 3 itself. So we will again iterate from like and print that answer 1 plus answer 2. So hope you understand the question. Like thank you. So like you can see my submissions as well. I will put down in the description section. Thank you.